Hey everyone! Welcome to Nadeem Sons. I'm Amina, your YouTube expert. I'm here to help you become a successful YouTuber. In this course, I'll guide you through every step you need to take to planning your channel. First, we'll figure out what your channel will be about. Whether you love gaming, cooking, or DIY projects, I'll help you pick the best topic for you. Creating awesome content. Next, I'll teach you how to make videos that people will love. You'll learn how to plan, shoot, and edit your videos with style and creativity. Growing your audience. Want more viewers and subscribers? I'll give you insider tips on how to attract a bigger audience and make your channel popular. Staying safe online. It's important to be safe online. I'll share key tips to protect your personal information and keep your channel secure. Are you excited to start your YouTube journey? Hit the subscribe button and join me, Amina, on Nadeem Sons as we make incredible videos together. See you soon on Nadeem Sons.